Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse with whipped cream. First, gather your ingredients, such as heavy cream, sugar, and your chosen flavoring like chocolate or fruit puree. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are very cold. Chilling them for 15 minutes helps achieve perfect peaks. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and airy mousse every time. We'll combine these elements to create a delightful dessert that's surprisingly easy to master. Now, let's prepare the base for our mousse. If you're making chocolate mousse, gently melt about 4 ounces of your favorite chocolate, like dark or milk, over a double boiler. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. It's crucial to let this mixture cool down to room temperature before moving on. This prevents it from melting your beautifully whipped cream later. Next, we'll focus on the star ingredient, the whipped cream. Pour 1.5 cups of very cold heavy cream into your chilled mixing bowl. Begin whipping on medium speed until soft peaks start to form. Then, gradually add about 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, which dissolves easily and adds a lovely sweetness. Continue whipping until you reach stiff peaks, but be careful not to overwhip, or it will become grainy. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Take your cooled chocolate base and gently fold about 1/3 of your whipped cream into it to lighten the mixture. Then, carefully fold in the remaining whipped cream in 2 additions, being careful not to deflate the air. Spoon your mousse into individual serving dishes and chill for at least 2 hours to allow it to set. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious homemade mousse.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.